kitchen. Kitchen, 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 kitchen. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Ahtina's Home Organizing. I know you might be wondering what's wrong with me, right? Nothing is wrong. I just came back from work, so I thought I'll just do some crazy stuff. That's it. Okay, so from now on, I thought I'll make my vlog short and precise. So I'm sure that whatever I'm going to show right now, you might have seen it in my previous vlog, but still, just to give you an overview of whatever I have done, just summing up everything together. And for those people who are new to my channel is all about home organizing, which is not so true because I've shown many times the family fun time which we had. That's the way it should be, right? Because that's also part of a life, right? Okay, so anyway, whatever I'm going to show you today is just 5 simple hacks which I used in my kitchen. Hope you find it useful, and please, people who are new to my channel, please show your support by subscribing to my channel, and let's quickly jump into it. First hack, you can use this kind of lazy Susan to arrange any condiments, sauces which you have. So it actually utilizes the corner space of your kitchen shelf. Sometimes these kind of pans are so annoying, you know, it really takes up so much of space in your kitchen shelf. So but if you use this kind of pan stand organizer, you can just organize every pan in this manner and you can find more space in your kitchen shelf. So this is the second organizing technique. The third organizing technique, you can use this kind of 3-tier or 2-tier stand system you get to buy, and you can arrange the spice rack set in this manner so that while cooking you can find it very easy if you arrange it on your countertop. Coming to the fourth technique, I use this kind of 2-stand system to arrange all my lunch boxes. So how beautiful is that? See, you can find more space if you arrange everything in this manner in your kitchen. Last but not the least, fifth organizing technique is that I use this magazine holder to stack up all my baking paper. If you have any foil paper, you can arrange it this manner, so everything is good to go. Definitely everything stays in place. So I hope you all enjoyed my today's 5 simple techniques which I used in my kitchen. So